How do I get bigger lats? That's the question it seems everyone wants to know, whether you're new to working out, you've been working out for a long time, if you're in the gym, if you're working out at home, no matter where you're at, you want that big, wide V taper. And lats are these big muscles on the side of your back that gives you that nice tapered, powerful look. So let's take a look at 4 workouts for bigger lats. The thing to know is that a lot of the exercises to get bigger lats do require equipment. However, we will take a look at a few tips and tricks for exercises and workouts to do to get bigger lats without equipment. So, scrolling down here, the first one, this is a good one, pull-ups. Any type of pull-up. Neutral grip pull-up is a great one. I'll show you a trick to find some more pull-up exercises. There are literally hundreds. Dumbbell pullovers. Lie on the bench, hold a dumbbell vertically on your chest. You can lay parallel with the bench like this. You can also lay perpendicular. The next one, another great horizontal pulling exercise, is the one-arm dumbbell row. There are a lot of different row variations. And when it comes to building a bigger back, building bigger lats, rows are your friends. You're going to notice most of the exercises to build a bigger back, build bigger lats, involve some type of vertical pulling exercise, i.e. a pull-up. We're also going to take a look down here at a lat pull-down. So vertical pulling or horizontal pulling, like your row movements. The last one, lat pull-down. You can also perform this exercise in a lot of different ways. You can use an underhand or supinated grip. You can use a neutral grip, like the pull-up up here. You can go extra wide to target your lats. And the thing that's great about doing lat pull-downs is, of course, you can change the weight based on your strength. So maybe you can't do a chin-up or a pull-up. Maybe you can only get a few. Well, start out with a lat pull-down, change up your grips, change up the weight, and slowly progress. All right, so you want a few, those are 4 great exercises to build bigger lats and get that nice V taper. But let's take a look at a few tips, tricks, and variations. So we're on exercise.com and we're on the exercise tab. And it's as simple as scrolling over here a little bit and selecting the muscle group lats. And you'll notice we have 117 different exercises to search through. You see some of the standards that we've talked about: wide grip, lat pull down, pull up, chin up. There's the one-arm dumbbell row, the lat pull down. You can see there's all kinds of different variations that specifically target the lats. 117 different exercises to choose from. So if you're anything like me or like most people, you'll say, great, we have lots and lots of exercises and workouts to target the lats, but it can be a little overwhelming. Where do we even start? So one thing that I love about searching for plans on exercise.com is, why not choose something that a trainer has already put together? So all you have to do, show up in the gym, use the exercise.com app, select your workout for the day, and it tells you exactly what to log, what exercise, how many sets, how many reps, how to progress from week to week, what weight to use. It'll progress you from week to week. It'll give you step-by-step video tutorials, online workout tracking, advanced workout stats, all that good stuff, so that you don't ever have to walk into the gym, see all the strange equipment, and be that person wandering aimlessly in the gym. So that's how to get bigger lats. All right, so now, as promised, a few tips and tricks if you do not have equipment and you want to get bigger lats and work those lats. So go ahead, go to exercise.com, select lats over here. You'll see 117 different exercises, and if you scroll down, you'll notice a lot of these exercises you can do if you can simply get to a pull-up bar of some kind. It could be one of those cheap $20 pull-up bars in your home. That could be a pull-up bar at the park. Another thing you could do, find any exercise with a dumbbell right here, or even a kettlebell, such as right here, and substitute, if you don't have a dumbbell, don't have a kettlebell, a gallon of milk, a heavy bag of groceries, and now you know how to do some different exercises for your lats that don't require any equipment. Another thing you can do, unselect lats, go ahead and search different pull-up and chin-up variations. You'll see here's 30 different pull-up variations. All right, so now you have some great ammunition to get those bigger lats. Go ahead and visit exercise.com and get started today.